Hi, this is William from Great Affordable Watches, and in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing of my latest purchase, the Sinn 556i. So let's get right into the unboxing and take a look at the watch. And here's the box and the watch. The first thing I notice is the beautiful blue sunburst dial. And if you have seen my previous videos, you know that I'm a big fan of a blue sunburst dial, and I've always wanted a Sinn 556, but I've never actually purchased one. But finally I got the blue version, and I have been looking at this watch for a couple of years since it was announced. I think it was back in 2017 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it feels really nice to finally have a Sinn and of course the blue dial version. I will of course do a full review of this watch in the future, but we can go through some specifications. It is 38.5 millimeters in diameter. It got the ETA 2824 top grade, or the Sellita SW200 top grade. It is water resistant down to 200 meters or 20 ATM. And of course it got a sapphire crystal. And most of you guys have already seen the Sinn 556. It's a bit of a classic in the watch community. And the main difference between the Sinn 556i and the 556iB is of course the blue dial, but also the applied indices and different hands. And I would say that the 556iB is a bit more of a dressy watch. The regular black version is of course dressy as well, but I believe this one is a bit dressier. And I think this is probably the closest thing you can get to an Omega Aguatera blue dial. And yeah, Sinn of course are known for making some excellent watches in this price range. And my first impressions of this watch is just excellent. I'm really happy with how it looks. I think the blue sunburst dial is almost perfect. It got the perfect blue and that beautiful sunburst effect, triangular sunburst effect or cone sunburst effect. And of course it got the top grade movement from Sellita or ETA, and you got that gold rotor with the rhodium plating and all that, and I think the movement looks really excellent. So we can do a quick wrist shot and see how it looks on my 7-inch wrist. And here it is, and we can see that absolutely gorgeous dial. When the light hits it, it looks really nice, and as we can see, I think it sits almost perfectly on my 7-inch wrist. The size is it's a really nice size for a dressy sport watch like this. And I do really like sporty dressy watches like this that can be worn in most occasions but still have that really nice water resistance and all that. So yeah, this Sinn is definitely a nice watch, and it fits a bit in the same category as a Seiko Alpinist or perhaps the Sarb 033. But we will save the rest for the full review of this watch. And yeah, I've had this watch for only a short time, but yeah, I really like it so far. So stay tuned for the full review and my final impressions of this watch. And thanks for watching this short unboxing, and I hope I see you in the next one.